Hi friends, this is Anam K. Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave theory. See, before we get into today's analysis about Nifty, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plan explaining here. So let's move on to Nifty, and this is SGX Nifty. So yesterday clearly I mentioned that until if it breaks this high, there is a lot of chances for making a one more low also, and I have already shown that for that wave 3 and wave 4 could be retest the 38.2 retracement. Right now, as of now, the 23.6 it's already dead. So, and again I informed that this piece is a little bit confusing here because we are not seeing this in Nifty because of that Bagreed holiday in our market. We are not getting this. So I thought whether that Nifty, I will show you that Nifty also, and if you are regularly watching my predictions, you come to know that we are not getting any spike here. So this is looks like an impulsive wave here. That is why I have mentioned this as a doubt in as of wave 1, and this is the invalidation for this pattern. And I said whether this is going to break, then only it is continuation for that wave 3. And I said yesterday itself there is a lot of chances for making, if it breaks this, I need to reanalyze all those things, and still we are in the fourth wave only. If it breaks this high, that will become a second wave, and we are on the third wave. After that also it is a, if it is a deeper correction, it can make an irregular flat formation for the wave 2. So you can just check the yesterday's video also, because why I am informing that means that SGX Nifty and Nifty is entirely different pattern it's forming here. So as of now, what I'm thinking today is, see, this one is wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3 and wave 4, it's perfectly channeled. What I said, it's true. But later onwards, you just clone this and place it here, extend this perfectly, it again bounced from this channel. So still we are in the fourth wave, and the technical, now it is got invalid, right? So we will remove this. So still we are in the fourth wave only. So what is the kind of pattern here it is doing? And it bounced exactly that previous anchor itself. This is a 1 hour anchor. So you know about the anchor, right? So this swing high is on one anchor. So if it is break this anchor, this has become a higher high. So now it is making a lower low. Now there is a lot of chances for making higher high. So in 4-hour chart also, this is the, from here only it came down. So now this is the anchor. So if it's already broken that, and again we are getting a rejection. So this means for me it looks like a pullback. So that is a correction for this swing. So let's come to this. So what kind of pattern is doing here? Just you draw this trend line and this trend line. It's perfectly hitting this down to a trend line, and it looks like an expanding triangle. It looks like expanding triangle, but I'm not so sure about this. I'm not going to make this as an expanding triangle. Why? See, if this third wave is got ended here, this is becomes a if it is an expanded triangle. So this is the B, this is the C, this is the D, and the whole thing becomes E, means the A and the B wave need to go above this A wave. Then only it will get the valid for expanding triangle. So the pattern looks like expanding. If it is a pattern trader, you will go for buy here and again buy here. But actually, as per my Elliott wave count, so this becomes, now it's a W. So this is X, this is Y, again X, and this is the Z. But, and one more, see, from here it has a chances for making a high also for the fifth wave. But one more chances what it will do here is, again it can break, one second, I will remove this. make it this as a thicker one, and remove this, right? So this is become W, and this is become X, this is the Y, this is the X, and again Z. But from here it has chances for making one more low also. So this will get again like this. So how means, see, this is a W, or this becomes a W. We can keep it like whatever we need. And this is W means this is the connecting wave of X. And we marked this as a Y because we kept this as a W, this X in expanded flat, Y is ended here. But if we do this A, B, C as a W, this is the connecting wave, so this becomes a Y. And after this, this is the connecting wave. And again, this will become again A, B, C, and this is the Z. So there is a lot of chances for making one more low also. When it will do means, from here we need to watch whether if it breaks this high, then also we can get this, and that will become an expanded triangle. So this is a confusing. If you are a beginner, it will confuse you a lot. Why? Again it will go like this. If it breaks this also, this pattern, the WXY pattern, get invalid, but there is a lot of chances for expanding triangle in the fourth wave. So what is mean the expanded triangle? This ABC is A, and I said A, the B must to break this A. So it's already broken this, already the A. So this ABC is A, this ABC is a B, this A, B and C is a C, and this one is a D. So it can go above this high also. After that, one more A, B, C. So this is the E wave. So this will become fourth wave. After this, only after the completion of this is going to make a one more high for that this fifth wave of this fifth wave. So this pattern is already occurred in, I will show you in this S&P 500. This is an US stock indices. It's already did here the same fourth wave. This is in higher time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. So we can make it as a daily. It will be very easy to find it. See, this is A, B, C is a B, and it's already broken this A is high. So A, B, C, D and E. So this is the corona drop, and again it bounced for the fifth wave. So like this it could happen now. So this kind of wave formation I'm expecting. So if I already bought from here itself, it's nearly exactly the 580 zone. And now, see, I'm not going to trade futures, that you know very well if you are following me past 10 months. I'm just analyzes the individual stocks, and where at the time of Nifty here, I bought lot of stocks. So now what I'm going to do is, I will book the profit whenever it hits the new high partially, and again if it goes to for that fifth wave, it's fine. I will book the remaining stocks what I'm having. But otherwise, if it get rejected like this, what I'm expecting one more alternative wave. So again I will buy here and make for the profit for this for the fifth wave, and I'll book all those things. I'm counting this as a 5-way structure. So this is my view for Nifty, SGX Nifty. The same thing in Nifty also. So you just go through the 1 hour. That same thing what we did in the SGX Nifty also. Just clone this trend line, place it here, and this is also getting exactly bounced from here. So these are all not magic. This is what we need to do in front of the system, and keep on practice, and you will get. If you are watching this in the screen time itself, you need to do that. So, but yesterday I didn't got this idea right, even though if I'm practicing still, I'm not getting this. After that, once it hit the invalidation level, I'm looking for that next, because until that I will just stick to that. But even though I'm not placing anything, that my whole capital here, because expecting the third wave, because I already said, right, there is a lot of chances for making one more low also if it breaks this, and we have to analyze this. So like this only I am trading. I hope you enjoyed this analysis and you can learn a lot of things, and you need to spend the time in front of the system. Then only you can recognize this kind of patterns, and how it looks like an expanding expanded triangle, but it is not an expanded triangle as per the Elliott wave. This is a pattern trading, means if you will go for this, but even though there is a lot of chances for making one more low. So you hope enjoy this. So we will see you on tomorrow, or that in the weekly analysis on Saturday or Sunday I will upload this. So thanks for watching and have a nice profitable day to all.